Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect Supabase to n8n. First, open n8n and start a new workflow from the editor screen. Drag an HTTP request node into the canvas to call Supabase APIs. Now, set the HTTP method to get, post, etc. based on the Supabase action needed. Then, enter your Supabase REST API URL like the one shown on the screen. In header, add API key with your Supabase anon or service key. Next, add another header authorization with value bearer your _Supabase _key. Here, set the content type header as application/JSON if sending/receiving JSON data. After that, add body or query parameters to filter, insert, or update data as per use case. Finally, test and save the workflow to integrate Supabase data with other n8n nodes. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.